What you're looking at is not ordinary farming. Inside this high-tech factory, banana tree stems are transformed into powerful natural fibers through an advanced industrial process. From raw agricultural waste to eco-friendly industrial material, this is the hidden world of banana fiber manufacturing. So, welcome to Process Intelligence AI, where technology meets industry. Step inside the world of advanced manufacturing, powerful machines, smart automation, and modern production systems. From raw materials to finished products, we uncover the intelligence behind industrial processes. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing factory and industrial production video for future. So as we know, every year, millions of banana plants are discarded after harvest. But inside this modern production facility, those massive banana pseudostems are given a second life. Using precision machinery, automation, and skilled labor, factories are now extracting strong natural fibers from banana stems on an industrial scale. Raw material arrival. The process begins at banana plantations. Freshly harvested banana pseudostems are collected and transported directly to the factory. These stems contain layers of moisture-rich leaf sheaths that hold valuable natural fibers inside. As truckloads of raw stems arrive, workers carefully stack and organize them for processing. Loading and transport system. Next, the banana stems move through a mechanized transport system. Heavy-duty conveyors and feeding machines carry the bulky stems deeper into the production line. At this stage, speed and timing are critical. The stems must be processed while still fresh to maintain fiber strength and quality. Splitting process. The large banana stems are then split into smaller sections using industrial cutting equipment. Powerful rotating blades slice through the thick plant material with precision. This step prepares the pseudostem for fiber extraction by exposing the inner fibrous layers. Fiber extraction. Now comes the most important stage, fiber extraction. Specialized extraction machines crush, scrape, and separate the soft plant tissue from the strong natural fibers hidden inside the stem. As the machines operate continuously, long strands of banana fiber begin to emerge. The process combines mechanical pressure, controlled movement, and automated cleaning systems to maximize fiber recovery while reducing waste, washing, and cleaning. Once extracted, the fibers are thoroughly washed to remove moisture, plant residue, and impurities. Clean fibers are essential for producing high-quality industrial and textile materials.
Drying process.
After cleaning, the fibers move into the drying stage. Depending on the factory setup, the fibers are either air-dried naturally or processed through industrial drying systems. Proper drying improves durability, texture, and long-term storage quality. Quality inspection. Before packaging, trained workers inspect the fibers carefully. Damaged or low-grade material is separated while premium fibers continue through the production line. This quality control process ensures consistency for commercial and industrial applications. Final product. The finished banana fibers are now ready for use in textiles, ropes, paper products, eco-friendly packaging, handicrafts, and sustainable industrial materials. What was once agricultural waste has now become a valuable renewable resource by the end. This is the future of sustainable manufacturing, transforming natural plant waste into useful industrial materials through modern engineering and innovation. And this is how banana tree stems are turned into strong natural fibers inside a high-tech factory. If you enjoyed this inside look at modern manufacturing, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more industrial process videos. If you enjoyed watching this incredible banana fiber manufacturing process, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing factory and industrial production videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our next behind-the-scenes manufacturing journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।